Today, I'm going to go over the third essential item you'll need when you're at the beginning stages of getting your website up and running. Let's talk about how to actually get it done. What method should you choose to get your website up and usable in the way that you want it, in the time that you want it, and so on? Hey, I'm excited to dive into this one today because this is a particularly important topic that can save you from wasting time and money during the entire website creation process. When it comes to creating your own website, you have essentially two main options: the do-it-yourself option or the hire a professional option. Both options have their pros and cons, so it's essential to weigh them carefully before making a decision. Disclaimer alert. As a website designer, I am passionate about helping people create stunning online presences, but it's important to note that my profession does not automatically mean I advocate for hiring a designer in every scenario. Ultimately, my goal with this video is to provide guidance and empower you to make informed decisions that best align with your needs, your budget, and your objectives. All right, let's get into it. The do-it-yourself option. If you're someone who loves to be hands-on and has an eye for design and enjoys details, making your own website might be the ideal choice for you. If you choose to make your own website, you'll have full control over the design and the content. There are numerous website builders and platforms available, such as Wix.com, that offer user-friendly interfaces and templates to help you create a website with minimal technical knowledge. But it's essential to consider the time factor. DIY website creation can be time-consuming because you have to learn new software and become familiar with basic website design principles on the go. If you aren't pressed for time or can get your website up and running in a month or so, DIYing it might save you money. If time equals money to you, it's crucial to weigh the potential costs against the benefits of taking on the project yourself. If you're tech savvy or tech confident, creatively inclined, and love a challenge, I'd say go for it. Moving on to the next option. Hire a professional website designer. Hiring a professional web designer will likely save you time and ensure a high quality result. Honestly, when clients come to me after trying to DIY their websites, they're at their wits' end. So if you struggle with tech stuff, hiring a professional designer may save you a lot of time and stress down the road. An experienced and skilled designer will work closely with you to understand your needs and your goals, creating a custom website that reflects your brand and vision. They will also expertly create your website in such a way that you'll be able to build upon it in the future when your business grows. It's true that hiring a professional will likely require a larger upfront investment, but can ultimately save you money by avoiding costly mistakes at the get-go. Not to mention, you'll ensure a professional-looking website which builds trust between you and your clientele. Also, if your designer is like me, they may have a payment plan option to assist with costs. When considering hiring a professional website designer, not all are created equal, of course, and some designers might be a better fit for you than others. It's crucial to review their reviews and assess their portfolios. Some designers have a distinct style that permeates all their work, while others, like myself, excel in tailoring each website to suit the specific requirements of my clients. You'll want to figure out which designer fits your working style and situation best. Bottom line. Whether you should make your own website or hire a professional depends on your budget, your time constraints, and the complexity of your project. If you have the time and the inclination to learn, DIY can be a great option for you. If you value expertise and want a polished and completely unique result, hiring a professional may be the way to go for you. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to help you make an informed decision about creating your website. Remember to weigh your options and choose the path that aligns with your specific goals. If you haven't seen the first or second videos in this series covering the domain names and hosting, you can find them up top. Feel free to comment below with any questions you may have, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on all things web related. See you in the next one.